Let's see you stop the fucking puck tonight, eh?
Alright.
You fucking sieve. What, do you want to get me a shot from behind the net? Last time I did that, I almost got tooped. You got a slacker there with you, Ev. A dog humper. And that big crowd tonight. Uh-oh. Whiskey on whiskey. That back check and Liskey, look at him. He's already made it into the defensive zone. I'm so shaky, holy Christ. Oh, there's that whole legs up move. Ooh, 8 into 6. Come on, Gunner! Hey, Zoe. I'll try not to swear and spit when I'm beside you, okay? That could be very difficult to do. That guy couldn't tape this onto his helmet. Show us the magic, Jake. Go ahead, guys. Come on, Evan, I'm sending this tape to Everett. I need to get some footage of it so I can put it on. Come on, Morden.